What's up, everybody? This is Andrew and John from Coaster101.com. We are here at Six Flags over Georgia. We're getting ready to ride the new for 2025 Georgia Gold Rusher, the first of its kind Intamin surf coaster, I believe, in the world. John, I think that's right.
Yeah.
So
let's do it.
we're very excited. Oh, here we go. We're starting this ride. It's got some free spinning right now with the way the trains are waiting. We are spinning a lot more than we were spinning earlier.
Yeah.
So, here we go. Got some interactive water features here. Almost all the way up the tower, and we're hanging on. Oh man!
Some water.
And we're up the second tower. We are all the way up here. Oh my gosh! Way! This thing goes all the way up that tower. Whoa!
Yeah.
All right, John, what'd you think?
10 out of 10.
I think so. I think this is the perfect ride for Six Flags over Georgia.
Yeah.
Definitely, the theme fits this Lick Skillet area so much with the mining troughs and everything. So
Looks like it's been here forever.
it really does, which is crazy because
Yeah.
it literally opens for the season March 15th. So
Come out and ride it.
come out and ride it. It's gonna be great. But yeah, this has been Andrew and John, Coaster 101.